Got to show off the new truck, guys. Just got the windows tinted on here. Bam. This thing is just kind of out right now. Gotta fix that. That bear getting thick, shawty. That thing getting thick. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Cognition Fitness. Pulling out the driveway right now. I'm about to head to the gym. We're gonna work some legs today, baby. Gonna work some legs, lower body today. It's unusually hot right now. It's like mid-November, you know, in the Midwest, and it's like 70 degrees right now. So that's weird, right? It's weather has been really good. So I actually got some shorts on. Gonna kill this workout with some shorts. I'm feeling really good. My knee is still giving me some issues. So I may not push it too heavy today, but you know, I still want to get some decent work in, at least with machines. So I'm gonna, it's taking so long for this Deon to pull out. But yeah, so we're gonna be hitting legs today. And yep. So I'm in the new, I got a new truck, guys. I got a new truck, so kind of see the, got a little sunroof. You know, I still got the my car, and y'all seen the car a lot of times. You know, I filmed a lot of videos in that car. I still got it. It still means a lot to me, so I kept it. You know, the wife, she actually driving it, so I really want to target these hamstrings too. My knee is still tripping. It's still sore, so I'm gonna watch that, make sure that I don't push it. But I expect to have a good day today, so let's get it, guys. Let's work. It's time to work, guys. Let's get it. Alright guys, so right now all I'm doing is warming up, trying to get blood into the muscle a little bit, warming up, taking my time, doing some stretching, some dynamic stretching, and just going light right now, alright? Y'all know how I do it. Let's get it. You make me want to work hard. So 315 is when I usually put on a belt and my knee sleeves, but I want to engage more core. So the belt helps with not activating as much core as you want. So doing it beltless will make the core much better, and overall you get more strength out of that. So I'm going to try it without any belt, any straps, and then for my next set, I'm going to put on the strap. that didn't move the way I wanted it to. It was a little slow getting out the block. So I'm gonna strip the weight, go back down to maybe 365 for maybe 2 or 3 working sets. Alright, squats is done. It's time to hit some more legs, but now we're going to be focusing on the hamstrings, glutes. So we're going to be doing a dumbbell exercise, one of my favorites, an elevated sumo squat. So you perform this basically on any type of platform. I'm going to be doing it on 2 benches, and then that'll be my platform. Legs is pretty sore right now. Man, it's music over there, but there's no music over here. I don't understand that. Feel it in the hammies and then the inner quads, hammies, that wide stance targets that inner quad area, quadricep complex, and the hammies and the glutes. All right, that's where you're gonna feel it at. We got 2 more sets. Let's go. Crazy pump right now in my inner quads. That's why I love doing this exercise. You really feel that if you really contract at the top, squeeze those inner quads and your glutes together at the same time, get that contraction, you really feel it, and it feels amazing. So I was only gonna do maybe 4 or 5 sets. I think I may push it up to maybe 8, 9 sets. Keeping the weight steady, 55, not going too heavy. Focusing on the contraction at the top. That's all I'm doing, all right? in today. Legs is on fire right now. Those TRX Bosu Ball single leg squats was super fucking hard. Couldn't even do maybe 5 or 10 of them. We did like 3. But I'm gonna try to put those into the routine. Yeah, man, that's the video. Make sure you subscribe. Cognition Fitness on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I can't wait to get started again, back on the YouTube grind. And yeah, I'll see more of y'all soon, man. So thank you guys for watching the whole entire video. For those who did, if you didn't, fuck you. I was kidding. I appreciate y'all too. Hopefully you learned something out the video. And I like to give quality, you know what I mean, in my videos. I just don't like to just put out stuff without any type of quality content. So I hope y'all got some quality out the video. And I'll see y'all guys soon, man. Make sure to subscribe. Cognition Fitness on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Peace.